This is just another cook, and this is my gnocchi arrabbiata. Roast 10 medium-sized potatoes at 365 for about 45 minutes. Finely chop 1 onion and 1 garlic clove. Add some olive oil and sweat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Season with some salt and some pepper. Add your favorite hot stuff and 1 liter of San Marzano tomatoes. Cook it for about 45 minutes. In a big bowl, we're gonna add 1 kilo of potatoes, 350 grams of flour, 2 eggs, and 70 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano, a little bit of nutmeg. Mix everything together and form a bowl. Add some flour to the board. Cut it in small pieces. Roll it gently. Add some flour for the final shaping. And cut some small pillows of gnocchis. Bring some water to a boil, season with some salt. Drop the gnocchis until they float. Heat up some tomato sauce in the pan. Add the gnocchis. Cook for a minute or 2. Add some fresh mozzarella. Add some basil. Put it into your favorite pasta dish. Add some Parmigiano Reggiano. And finish with some basil. Here you have it, gnocchi arrabbiata. Enjoy.